More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. It's not rocket science what type of man that women want. Modern society has distorted the idea of what a typical man looks like. There have been superficial traits applied to what a man should be. The danger of this unrealistic man is that young men are trying to transform themselves into that mythical man. Just becoming the traditional type of man will have everything a woman wants. The traditional man has the PHF traits that are the foundation of the family: provider, husband, and father. The provider of the family is aware of what is necessary to keep the household and the needs to sustain a family. That man is willing to go out and work to secure the resources that will produce a livelihood for the family to thrive. The sacrifice of getting up every day early and going out to work is something that every traditional man would do. The traits of provider is one that every woman wants. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you. Your son will thank you too. The husband of the marriage is aware of the wants and needs of his wife. He is also aware of the importance of the wife's support and his support for his wife. A husband must be accountable for his position in the family. There are many levels of being a husband that every man needs to be aware of. None more important than being the rock that she can count on. The wife needs to have a stable family environment so that she can provide her loving support for the husband that will help the family stay strong and keep the family unit going. The husband's most important trait is to provide his wife with the comforting life that any man would want for his family. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. The father of the family is a multifaceted position that can have a complicated role, but the man needs to fulfill all those roles within the family. There will be times that a father must deliver tough love, and it's necessary for the family unit. Then times when he needs to be a comforting voice for the family to ensure emotional stability. A father's responsibility to the family is very important to the success of the family. The trait of being a father in any man is a desirable thing for most women. So ensure, guys, that you have that trait. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.